interrupt me.
No, no,
We
I'm
are not
telling
here
you,
on the scope. Or please mute yourself then.
She's
Please
not
mute yourself.
mentionability. She's
Please
not
mute yourself.
mentionability.
All right? This is
You're
unbecoming conduct. And the
Our
next
case is
time you
the
want to,
plain
as
case
law
money
officer,
laundering. He did not
refer
want
to a
money
sitting
laundering
chief
purpose of
minister
guise
by
of
her
exchange
name,
of-
give her the dignity of calling her the chief minister of a state, a multi-term chief minister. Mr. Raju could have asked his instructing lawyers to just check this. And this person who has signed the affidavit is a member of the party. Few months before the assembly elections. I want to be clear. That is the fear here. We are not withdrawing anything,
No, you
Mr.
said
Raju.
that. I'm sorry.
Please record. No,
I'm
I did
sorry.
not say that. Do
My
not
lady,
put
you
words in
said
my
it.
mouth.
I'm so sorry.
Well, my lady,
Now
may please
apply.
record that statement.
Yes.
Please record that statement that nothing was seen.
Please don't interfere.
I want to know which matter
don't
you're referring.
interfere.
I'm not interfering. I'm only asking.
কি গো সব সময়তে
Patience.
And what the Supreme Court will do, they will ask my learned friend and do.
for by them.
What nonsense.
My lady, may I just respond to Mr. Raju's arguments?
Dr.
Till then, the hearing may
Yes.
be kept on everything.
I have a request. He
Yes.
come back with an affidavit with all these issues, with all these
I'm
points.
just going to take 2
I'll
minutes, my
come back.
lady. 2 minutes.
I'll come
It's
back.
unclear to me. But may I just
Come
take
back.
2
Your
minutes?
ladyship may give me about 2 weeks' time. I'll come back.
Nothing is required, my lady. May I just make 2 points? One, Mr. Raju's statement may be recorded as he's appearing for the Enforcement Directorate that nothing was seized. He has asked my lady to record that. I will also join him in this request. It is probably
there
the
was
only
present.
request we'll ever make
There were
together
everything.
on something. So that's the first point. The
Yes,
second point
I
is
will not
this.
make a wrong
The
statement.
Yes, absolutely. I know you won't make a wrong statement.
I've said
Therefore,
it
I'm
is not in my
respectfully
possession.
requesting.
It is not in
Now,
my
please
possession.
don't interrupt me, Mr. Raju. I didn't interrupt you. I heard you. Now, please
Court
don't
is
interrupt me.
suggesting something, yes.
So the first thing I want to say is please record that statement. The second thing I want to say is our petition was of a very limited nature, that of protecting personal political data which is relevant to a well-established political party that ED may have seized. That is the width of it, and that is protected by Puttaswamy. That is the second. It's para 11 of our petition. I'm not going to read the petition. It's been read to my lady too many times today for such a short petition. I imagine what would have happened if Keshavananda's petition was read and reread in this fashion. But be that as it may. Point 3, and I want to make this point. It is inappropriate and unbecoming to bully a political party which has filed a petition at the time when it believed that personal data of that political party relevant to the upcoming assembly elections was being housed by their political strategists, not of yesterday or day before, but for the past 6 years. It is a well-founded fear that we had, and that is why we came to court. Then 4, on the issue of the affidavit, the authorization letter for this member of the Trinamool Congress has been filed with our wakalat. Mr. Raju could have asked his instructing lawyers to just check this. The authorization letter has been filed, and that authorization was given by a National Working Committee member of the party. And this person who has signed the affidavit is a member of the party. There is nothing, no great conspiracy here.
knowledge, no
We
information.
all want to have free and fair elections. We find it suspect that our political strategist office was targeted in this way a few months before the assembly elections. I want to be clear. That is the fear
Our
here.
case that money laundering
We
has
are not
been
here on the
shelter of money
scope
laundering
or
in
the
the guise of political
constitutionality.
elections.
Don't interrupt me.
No,
We
I'm
are not
telling
here
you,
on the scope,
this
or
has
please
nothing to
mute
do with-
yourself
nothing
then.
to do with- she's
Please
not
mute
acting on
yourself.
mentionability. She's not
Please
acting
mute
on
yourself.
mentionability.
All right? This is
You're acting on
unbecoming conduct.
mentionability.
And the
Our
next
case is
time
that
you
the
want to,
plain
as
case
law
money
officer,
laundering, did not
refer
want
to
money
a
laundering
sitting
in the
chief
purpose of
minister
guise
by
of
her
exchange
name,
of-
give her the dignity of calling her the chief minister of a state, a multi-term chief minister. There is a certain decorum to be maintained in a courtroom, Mr. Raju. I want to be clear here. This is what I'm
merely
on.
because you say there is
The
no decorum doesn't
affidavit
mean
has
there is
been
no decorum.
filed by a member of a political party, authorized. That letter of authorization has been filed with the Wakalatnama. That is on the record.
case is-
All we are here, if Mr. Raju is going on the record and saying that nothing has been seized, then please record that statement. We then believe that maybe political data was seized from our political
My statement
strategist,
may be
which
recorded.
is
Nothing has been
indicative to
seized
the
from-
assembly elections. That is all I'm here. If that statement has been made, our petition may be disposed of in those terms, that nothing has been seized. I'm grateful for my lady's patient hearing.
Lord, may I just submit only one comment? I have been instructed to submit before your lordship.
You're appearing for?
Union of India, I am.
I will not hear so many counsels for the Union of India. I'm extremely sorry.
I am not submitting a single word, only the instruction.
Let there be sanctity to what has been stated in the court. I have made my statement and I abide by my statement and let them abide by their statement that they're withdrawing the
Sir,
petition.
kindly-
Please, we are not withdrawing anything,
No, you
Mr.
said that.
Raju.
I'm sorry.
Please record. No,
I'm
I did
sorry.
not say that. Do
Well,
not put
you
words in
said
my
it.
mouth.
I'm so sorry.
My
Now,
lady,
on
please
hindsight,
record the
don't make a
statement
wrong
that nothing
statement.
was
I'm so
seized.
sorry.
And in those terms,
Because
it may
heard
be
her.
disposed of.
Because
Mr.
that
Raju
is heard
obviously
her. She
does
said,
not know
"I'm
the
withdrawing if
difference
that statement is
between
made,
disposed
accepted."
of and withdrawal. I am
I'm sorry,
surprised.
I'll put it on affidavit. Let the proceedings be, let
I
the recording of
request
the
all my
proceedings be
friends to
shown. She has
slightly
made a statement.
let Raju sir speak because he's wanting to make a last submission which may be of relevance.
How long? How long Mr. Raju will?
No, will Mr. Raju submit?
How long Mr.
My
Raju?
submission is
Last
this.
submission will be
I have
of
made a
much
statement. Your
importance if
ladyship
my
may
lord wants
kindly
to take
see.
office.
I have made a statement that we have not seized anything from these two premises at the time of the search. On that statement, my colleague
This is really.
Anika has said that she's withdrawing the petition. She has
I
made
never said that,
she has
Mr.
made that
Raju.
statement.
I
That
never
statement
said
is
that. You
made,
are having
and therefore the
momentary
petition
amnesia.
do not survive.
Yes.
Sorry.
You are having momentary
Petition.
amnesia.
No,
I
no,
never
don't
said
go
that.
back.
I
Don't go
said my
back.
lady
I'm
may
very
record
sorry.
your
She has
statement.
made
It
that
may be
statement.
disposed of. It
No.
may be disposed of in those
adjourn the
terms.
matter
Disposed
today.
I am very
Doesn't matter,
surprised
it
you
is
don't know the
disposed of.
difference between disposed of and withdrawing.
Yes, it may be disposed of. I'm obliged. Let it be disposed of on
Very
March.
well. My lady
I'm
may please
obliged.
record that statement.
Yes,
Please record that statement that nothing was seized.
yes. my
And that
statement
the
will be
ASG
recorded
is
and
making
the
that
disposed of
statement.
may also be recorded. I have no objection.
Sir, please make your submission now.
Why
My
no?
submission is,
He's been submitting for
I'm
an hour
on
and a half.
instructions
No, no.
that
This-
nothing has been seized on these two premises, the residence of Pratik Jain and IPAC on the date of the search, that is 8th of January 26. Nothing, no record, no digital device has been seized. And on that statement, the statement of the petitioner's counsel is the petition may be disposed of in view of that statement. I'm obliged. Let the matter be
That's
disposed
what
of.
I
I'm
was
obliged.
trying to impress upon my lord that here, Mr. Raju, just for the because that can be of very much importance for this honorable court.
You cannot, are you differing with Mr. Raju?
My lord.
Are you differing with Mr.
No,
Raju?
yes, my lord, I am appearing in adherence.
Son of the-
Yes, my lord. Yes, whatever Mr. Raju is saying.
That nothing has been seized by the ED.
My lord,
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I'm making a statement. 80 officers are with me. I'm making a statement. Mr. Trivedi, it's all right.
Please record that statement, my lady. We'd be grateful.
Nothing has
Please
been
record his
seized
statement.
on 8th of January from these two premises in the raid, and all whatever was taken into possession has been taken away by Mamata Banerjee.
This is in consonance.
So it says that nothing was seized from the premises.
By the ED.
we are not able to.
But it is only to assist your lordship.
And everything was taken away by Mamata Banerjee.
Yes, this is the search and seizure.
The punch number also says that nothing was seized.
Yes,
Record that. and
Yes,
dispose it of.
yes.
What is shit of my lord? This is the reason why I said it will take 1 minute.
See, the clock has also stopped.
Time has stood still, my lady, in this courtroom today. We've had causeless read out multiple times.
No, no,
Look, add
yes.
some-
Lord,
yes.
I am appearing on in
The
the
second matter.
second matter.
Which
so
is
for-
being adjourned.
So yes, there is I have submissions. My submission is this, Milord. Firstly, Milord, I am appearing on behalf of
Mr.
Mamata
Gordon,
Banerjee.
I will give you 2 minutes. Let me finish with the first matter.
No
Finish with the
problem.
first matter.
I
Then
don't have.
we'll get back to
I
you.
don't
I'll
have
get
it.
back to you.
Give your blessing.
My lord will kindly dictate it on the mic.
Just
তোদের
now,
হাত জোর
yes.
করছি ভাই
Yes.
তোদের হাত সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টকে হাত জোর করছি
Outside the court, Hanjo, not in court.
Yes.
Heard and counsels for the parties. The only prayer of the petitioner in the writ petition is for preservation of the political confidential data and protection of the same from being circulated or divulged to any entity at the behest of the second and third respondents. Paragraph. The other prayers in the writ petition are not pressed by the petitioners. Paragraph. Learned counsel for the respondents submits, comma, on instructions, comma, that nothing whatsoever was seized from the two premises in question by the authority.
On the search made on 8th of January 26.
Pursuant to the search,
Search is made.
2026.
And whatever was seized by Mamata Banerjee. That is my statement.
There's copies of the panchnamas drawn up by the Enforcement Directorate.
May I
I'm
only
so
submit
grateful,
one
my
thing, Your
lady.
Lordship?
Very
May I only
grateful.
submit one thing? My statement that whatever was there was seized by Mamata Banerjee may also be recorded. My statement that whatever was seized by
It's my
Mamata Banerjee.
petition, my lady.
Yes,
Why is he
that
trying
is
to
what
dictate
Mamata
the
Banerjee
order?
is
She's
there
not
in
the chief
record.
minister is not a party here.
Our matter.
So
My statement may be recorded in full, Your Ladyship. Why part recording of my statement?
this is
My
not some
statement is we have
political
not seized
theatre.
whatever is seized by Mamata Banerjee. Therefore, Trinamool Congress will have to file a
Your
case against Mamata
petition number
Banerjee.
2 is there. You argue all this there, Mr. Raju.
That is different. This is a different petition. You have said that it's a
Same
different
petition,
petition. It's
Mr.
not there.
Raju,
You're not a
two
party in
side.
You're not a party in
Please
that.
argue this there.
address.
And no data backup was taken.
Grateful.
Grateful. Very grateful.
Yes, now,
Now,
My
Madam-
lady, very grateful. Thank you for your time.
Yes,
I'm
Madam-
adjourning the second
I'm
matter.
I'm obliged to your ladyship for a
Yes,
I'm obliged to your ladyship for a patient hearing.
just 3 minutes,
For a
and I will request your lordship, if your lordship just consider that any of my submission is recorded, my lord, that's all.
I'm
Nothing more.
simply adjourning the matter, Mr. Bandopadhyay, so you can.
What?
come back on the
No,
case.
what? Just a minute.
May I only submit this, your ladyship?
That's
Your
my
ladyship,
lord. Kindly
I'm
see the
thankful for
hearing
a-
is in
I'm thankful for a patient hearing,
Hearing-
your ladyship.
progress. Matter is
My
that
lady, here I join Mr. Raju also. We are both
Hearing is
thankful for a
progress.
patient hearing.
The
Right.
Supreme Court is in session of.
No,
the
I am
matter.
coming. That is the reason I am coming. Exactly, I want to say this thing. Well, firstly, let me very much clear myself that I am appearing on behalf of the chairperson of the All India Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee, not the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. He sees the chairperson of. They have wrongly.
In which matter my learned friend is appearing?
What is
Sorry,
that?
which matter are you
Please
appearing in?
don't interfere.
I want to know which
No,
matter
don't
you are appearing.
interfere.
I'm not interfering, I'm only asking.
এ কি গো, সব সময়তে
Patience.
I should know which matter. Is there a matter
Now,
pending?
see, this petition was on 9th in the morning. It was leave was
Petitions are disposed of. Is he arguing a dispose of matter?
Presenting 3, 4, and 5. You're appearing?
State and the officers.
officers.
So that's 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, yes.
The
If 4
CBI.
and 5, we have no notice.
আরে ভাই আমাকে একটু বলতে দাও।
Since he's asking for an adjournment, let me
Yes.
adjourn the matter for some time.
My lord, but yeah, lordships can adjourn, but I am submitting only that hearing of the petition 2 is also commenced. That's I am saying, submitting. Initially, I have said if item 2 hearing has been commenced. I am nothing. I am saying. Then the map, because of the paucity of time, matter is adjourned. That's not. No, I am just suggesting. my lord, I am just My lord, I am just. My lord, I am just suggesting.
Item 2, Trinamool Congress is not a party. Is appearing for whom in item number 2?
My lord, this is very important. Why I am saying. Why I am
He has,
saying.
he has no locus. Is appearing for whom? You are appearing for whom, Mr. Bandopadhyay? You are appearing for
has
whom?
been given by the ED to the court, to this court. Therefore, my lord, kindly see paragraph 12.
Atmosphere, here the matter.
कौन
in
सा?
High Court, Therefore, we are before. the
Page
court.
N.
This is.
They kindly see. Joseph के दो. कौन country?
I made that statement.
Left hand side, page top. 17, 18, 19.
Number 17. Kindly see. May I read it? The petitioner enforcement directorate had approached the Honorable High Court by filing a petition on Article 226 of the Constitution of India. However, before the matter could be taken up by the High Court, enormous disturbance was created inside the courtrooms, organized through a WhatsApp group by supporters and sympathizers of the ruling party of West Bengal.
Order, nothing else. They have recorded my, this is the
No,
order.
that's right. My lord, this is allegation.
There
That
is no locus. Trinamool Congress is not a party.
aforesaid
This
fact is
petition
also
number
evident from the
petition.
order.
Why is
dated
he
9th
allowed to
January.
even argue?
What is this?
Yes, what is this? I should ask you. I
Matter is-
should ask you. The court has said the matter is being adjourned. How can you argue even if you are not a party? How can you argue even if you are not a party? Have you filed an impleadment application? Have you filed an impleadment application?
The proceeding is being live.
Maybe,
And
maybe,
on record.
maybe, my lord, when the
And you are
Trinamool Congress is not a party in the second matter. He has no
what I
locus
am
to address the
submitting,
court.
when
Taking
the
advantage.
matter will be going on in the Supreme Court, that is the honorable judges of the Supreme Court will not look into the video. They will go on the.
How he can say what the Supreme Court judges will do? Who is it to say what the Supreme Court judges do or not? Recently, we
Heard-
played some videos
I
before
am
the
also
Supreme Court.
My observation
In
that.
two matter, Umar Khalid, we played videos, number of videos. In PFI matter, we played videos. How is he making statement what the Supreme Court judges will do or not?
Now,
How
Therefore,
is it related to
now,
such-
therefore, my lord,
such-
therefore,
such
if
thing?
the ground has been
I
taken,
strongly object to such
my lord,
things.
at least, my lord, this is my
What the
request.
Supreme Court will do, they will ask my
Adjournment
learned
has been
friend and
sought
do.
for by them.
What nonsense.
Kindly record to that extent. Adjournment has been sought for by them.
He is not a party. Trinamool Congress is not a party. He should not be heard. I do not know why he is being given this leniency.
on the ground that the Enforcement Directorate has filed SLP, Special Leave Petition, before the Honorable Supreme Court, and with prayers which are almost identical to that of the present application. Stop. The Honorable Supreme Court is in session of the matter. Paragraph in view of the above, comma. The matter is adjourned. Liberty to mention after the matter before the Honorable Supreme Court is disposed of.
Will be responded.
Grateful.
My lord,
I'm
kindly
obliged for a patient,
I-
your ladyship.
want to proceed with the matter,
Please
can you
record.
record that, my lord? My lord, we are willing
He's
to.
not a party, he's not a party. How can he proceed upon a non-party can proceed appearing for
Has
whom?
no substance.
The respondents
Learned additional Solicitor General
are ready
submission has
and
no
willing
substance at all.
to proceed with the matter before
Of
this.
course, you are the one who decides what has to be done, what substance I have, what the Supreme
I'm
Court.
really very grateful, my lady, for such a
After-
patient
I'm
hearing.
grateful for patient hearing. I'm sorry I had to argue a little loudly because of the video disturbance. I'm grateful. I'm obliged.